Hello everyone, my name is B. Satvik and I am from CSC C section. My roll number is 209518053. Today I am going to discuss about classical definition of probability versus empirical definition of probability. A probability is a measure of the likelihood that an event in the future will happen. It can only assume a value between 0 and 1. A value nearer 0 means the event is not likely to happen. A value nearer 1 means it is likely. There are three ways of assigning probability: classical, empirical and subjective. The probability P of any event or state of nature occurring is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. That is 0 less than or equal to probability less than or equal to 1. The sum of simple probabilities for all possible outcomes of an activity must be equal to 1. Probability P of the happening of an event is also known as probability of success, and Q the non-happening of the event as the probability of failure. Probability, if probability equal to 1 is a certain event, and if probability equal to 0 is called an impossible event. Simple definitions: trial and event. Example: consider an experiment which, though repeated under essentially identical conditions, does not give unique results but may result in any one of the several possible outcomes. Experiment is known as a trial and the outcomes are known as events or cases. Throwing a die is a trial and getting one of 2, 3, 6 is an event. Tossing a coin is a trial and getting head or tail is an event. A probability experiment is a chance process that leads to well-defined results called outcomes. An outcome is the result of a single trial of a probability experiment. A sample space is the set of all possible outcomes of probability experiment. An event is the collection of one or more outcomes of an experiment. Assigning probabilities. Three approaches to assigning probabilities: classical, empirical, subjective. Mathematical or classical probability. Basic assumption of classical approach is that the outcomes of a random experiment are equally likely. According to Laplace, a French mathematician, probability is the ratio of number of favorable cases to the number of equally likely cases. If the probability of occurrence of A is denoted by P of A, then by this definition we have P of E is equal to number of favorable cases by total number of equally likely cases, that is equal to M by N. Limitations of classical definition. Classical probability is often called a priori probability because if one keeps using orderly examples of unbiased dice, fair coin, etc., one can state the answer in advance, in prior, without rolling a dice, tossing a coin, etc. Classical definition of probability is not very satisfactory because of the following reasons. It fails when the number of possible outcomes of the experiment is infinite. It is based on the cases which are equally likely and as such cannot be applied to experiments where the outcomes are not equally likely. Relative or empirical probability. Empirical probability of an event is an estimate that the event will happen based on how often the event occurs after collecting data or running an experiment in large number of trials. It is based specifically on direct observations or experiences. Empirical probability formula: P of E equal to frequency of occurrence of E by number of trials of the experiment, that is equal to F by N. P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. P of E is equal to probability that an event E will occur. N of E is equal to number of equally likely outcomes of E. N of S is equal to number of equally likely outcomes of sample spaces S. Limitations of statistical or empirical method. The empirical probability P of A defined earlier can never be obtained in practice, and we can only attempt at a close estimate of P of A by making n sufficiently large. The experimental conditions may not remain essentially homogeneous and identical in a large number of repetitions of the experiment. The relative frequency of m by n may not attain a unique value no matter however large n may be. Summary of types of probability. Approaches to probability are classified into two types: objective and subjective. Further, objective is classified into two types: classical probability and empirical probability. Classical probability is based on equally likely outcomes, whereas empirical probability is based on relative frequencies. Thank you.